What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Little Bit by Florida Georgia Line and Nelly. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll put a snake in your boots, little bitch. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description. So once you get done with the video, jump into the video description. The guitar tab will be there for you. Starting out with your index finger on the 7th fret of the A and your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the B. And you're picking just 1, 2, 3. You can use a pick if you want. I'm finger picking this. Thumb on A, ring finger on B. Just 1, 2, 3. Then you go down to 10, 12. Pick the same way. And then you're gonna hammer on 12, 13, pull off to 12. 3, 5. That's 5, 7. And then it starts all over. So there you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.